Good morning, everybody. Ace Daily on vacation starts now. It's 0 dark 30. No, it's not. It's 5:06 in the morning. And I had a traumatic time leaving the house. But the boys will be okay, and I'll figure that out. Denise is driving because Denise is driving. And we'll see you in a bit when it's not so dark. Denise is leading me down this dark pathway into nothingness. Oh no. I'm so scared. I thought we were going on vacation. We made it to the airport. Let me show you what we got going on here. On time. It is. I looked at it. Gotta go through the checkpoint. Look over in the recesses of the side of the airport. We've got Austin International Sister Cities. On an aero train. No. I think we're going to get on a airplane.
It is a 55 minutes in the morning going to Atlanta. Just find the open seats. All seats are going to be taken.
We're next to the Southwest Airlines plane that has the Colorado flag on it. Pretty cool. I wonder if we're racing. Probably not. Alright, Denise and I made it to Atlanta. That's her right there.
Yay.
This is me right here. We're going to walk the 50,000 miles to get our luggage. Looks like they've got this under construction look going on here. Everywhere, because this is what it looked like. Not yet. Give me time. I found Ziva.
Welcome aboard the plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for B gates. B as in Bravo.
Please watch your step upon exiting.
I made it into this wonderful elevator. We've made it to the top! Is that a rat up there? What is that? It's a trash bag. It looked like a rat from that angle. There is the fabled Fox Theater. Oh, we've got the dinosaurs here. And we're not just talking about me. Denise and I are too tall for that, I would do it. Don't, just ignore those adults that are up there. They're much shorter than us. There it is. Stone Mountain, Georgia. Robert E. Lee, Stonewall Jackson, and Jefferson Davis. Pretty majestic. Below the famed relief, it's a nice park area. It's like a viewing lawn. They have a laser show that's projected from the Memorial Hall. I don't know what that is. Looks like maybe for X Games. I doubt it though.
It's gonna go wee.
There's also a sky ride. Don't know what you call it. We're not doing that today. Some pictures of workers. Great pictures.
Ces portes poussaient des roches fondues vers la pousse terrestre.
Now I sound me talking. Whoa, that was one long day. We made it to Macon, and we're pooped. So I'm going to edit this up and upload it, and I'll get it out to you as quick as I can. Remember, if I don't see you in the future, see you in the pasture.